Hyderabadi Dum Biryani is a classic Indian dish that has been enjoyed for centuries. In this recipe video, we'll show you how to make this mouth-watering dish right in your own kitchen. Throughout the video, we'll provide step-by-step instructions and helpful tips to ensure that your biryani comes out perfectly every time. First, put oil in a wok to prepare barista from onion. We will fry the onion till it caramelizes and turn brown. It will take 10 to 15 minutes till onion turn brown. Then we will remove it from oil when it turns brown and keep the oil which will be used during marinating our chicken. Take a thick bottom pot which we will use to cook biryani. In that pot we will put our chicken. We have taken 500 grams of chicken. Then we add 3 tablespoons of thick yogurt or dahi and fried onion. Then mint or pudina leaves. Slit 2 green chilies in the middle and put it in the marination. We have used 2 chilies to keep spice level low. You can also increase it as per your preference. Then we add the whole spices like cinnamon stick or dalchini, green cardamom or choti ilaichi, black cardamom or badi ilaichi, javitri, clove or long, saha jeera, nutmeg. Then 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste and Everest biryani garam masala. Grate nutmeg for some nutmeg or jaifal powder. 2 teaspoons red chili powder and 3 teaspoons coriander or dhania powder. Then add the leftover oil of fried onion. This oil has flavor of onion and will give an awesome aroma to our biryani. Then add salt as per your taste. Mix it with hand. Mixing with spoon will not work. Massage the chicken with spice mixed like massaging oil. This step will help it evenly spread the masala in chicken pieces. Then place it in fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours. More time you give for marination is better. Optimal time is 5 hours. After marination done, now we will cook the rice. I am using 350 grams of basmati rice for 500 grams of chicken. In pot first take water and in water add salt. Here the tips is to add little bit more salt to water. Then add pudina or mint leaves. Also add whole spices like cardamom or ilaichi, clove or long, cinnamon or dalchini, saha jeera, nutmeg etc. Then add oil to the water and put it on gas stove. Once water started boiling, add our soaked basmati rice. Forgotten to mention, but you don't forget to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste into same rice water. Boil the rice till it is 70% done and then drain the water from rice and keep the drained water as a separate pot. Put the prepared rice on top of the marinated chicken which we keep in the fridge as a layer. Then on top of it put fried onion and saffron soaked in milk. We soak saffron in milk for few hours. Here add 2 to 3 spoons of drained water from rice. This water is very flavorful and make our biryani juicy. You can also add desi ghee for extra flavor. Cover the top of cooking pot which is sealed with dough of flour. This is dum cooked style of Mughlai cooking. This will help our rice to absorb all the flavor of chicken and spices. Seal the pot properly so that no steam can be get out of the cooking pot. Put the gas stove in low flame and place a pan on top of it. Then we will place our cooking pot on top of it. It will ensure our biryani will be cooked properly, not burnt from bottom. Put a heavy object on top of it and leave it like this for 40 minutes. After that switch off the gas stove and open the top. Our Hyderabadi Chicken Biryani is ready, which is cooked in traditional dum cooked style. Just look at how our rice cooked properly and our chicken is so tender and juicy. Hyderabadi Biryani is pinnacle of Mughlai cuisine and the most popular dish of Southeast Asia. I have tried my best to explain this dish in simplest way possible with step-by-step explanation. Hopefully you will try this at your home. Please write down your experience in comments. Thank you for watching.